Hello everyone, this is Rishi and today I am going to talk about one of the best Type-C cables that you can get below 500 rupees. So as you can see, I bought this boat Type-C cable from Flipkart few weeks back. And let me tell you, the quality of this Type-C cable is amazing. You can see all the product details. I bought 2 meters long cable. And one of the best thing about this cable is that you are getting 2 years of warranty. So as you can see here, it's a data sync plus 2.0 amp rapid charging. But in practical, I have seen that this cable can deliver more than 2 amps. Also, the quality is good, and as you can see, it's a braided cable. So yeah, I have the warranty card. This is small little thing. Now let's see the cable. So this is the cable. Braided cable, and the quality is superior. Boat branding, and it's a type C cable as you can see here. So the quality of this cable is amazing. Also, I bought this cable for 299. As you can see, I bought it in offer from Flipkart. You can see the model here, and I will be providing the link of this cable down in the description. So do check this product, and I would recommend this if you are looking for type C cable below 500 rupees. I'm also going to attach the screenshot of the charging current it delivers. Do share your experience if you also bought this cable in the comment section down below. Also like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more interesting videos.